Well, hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome. So, today, what I will be doing is a texture release service. This is slowly becoming more and more popular in the salon. Now, this is my client third time getting the service done. She really fell in love with it and she loves the benefits of the texture release. And also, she actually likes to keep her hair straight as the natural and at home on her wash days. It's such a breeze for her to detangle her hair. So in this video, I will be giving you some of the answers to the most common questions I get under my texture release video, so you guys can be a little more educated and make the decision if this is something you want to do or you don't want to do. So let's get into today's video. So I want to first thank you guys so much for all the new followers. I really definitely appreciate it, you guys. It makes me feel so good. I got so many different comments under all my videos that was very positive. Thank you so much for the love. And also, thank you for all the beautiful women I have met in the salon that have followed me on my YouTube. It has actually booked. Thank you guys so much. Okay, let's get into the video. So, one of the most popular questions I get under my video, how's the condition of the hair after the treatment is completely washed out? With the texture release system, once it is completely washed out, then it does go back to your natural curl pattern. Now, keep in mind, on average, this system lasts for up to 3 months, but this also depends on how often you shampoo your hair. So if you shampoo your hair very often, then it will come out sooner than 3 months. But if you shampoo your hair on average, which is every 2 weeks, then it can last you up to 3 months. Now, please keep in mind, this is not a heat protection system, which means it's very important for you to be very aware of what you are doing when it comes to straighten your hair. If I can leave you guys with some tips, the first tip, which is the most important tip, is make sure you deep condition your hair before you ever straighten your hair. Why this is so important? Because you want to prepare your hair for a service that will bring stress to the hair. So what deep condition look like is applying the conditioner to the hair, putting a plastic cap on top of your hair, and going under a heated dryer for 15 to 20 minutes. Why this so important? Because you want to open up the cuticles of the hair and get to the cortex of the hair, and so you can feed the protein and keratin cells. Now, the shampoo and conditioner that I highly suggest is a protein shampoo and conditioner when you are thinking about straightening your hair. This is important once again because you want to keep in mind what is something that you are bringing stress to. You're bringing stress to your proteins and your keratin cells. So, with your shampoo and conditioner, you want that to actually feed those cells. So, use a strengthening protein keratin shampoo and conditioner. And if you need to find a conditioner that would help with that, then please, I have it linked down below, the shampoo and conditioner I use as at the salon, or you can go on my website to actually purchase the shampoo and conditioner as well. Okay, so moving right along, the second question, can you color your hair if you have the texture release? So the answer to this question is absolutely you can. Now, I have done it both ways. I have done the color before the texture release and the texture release before the color. I always give 4 weeks in between, and I always make sure my clients are preparing their hair for the next service. So utilize your strengthening shampoo and your strengthening conditioner, deep condition your hair to prepare for the next service. Remember, all chemical service should be done with the professional. And with the texture release, I only do demi and semi, nothing with bleach. Does it last longer than a silk press? Yes, it does help with extending your silk presses. My client that's in the chair right now, she is able to keep her silk press for up to a month before she has to wash it out and repress it if that's what she chooses to do. What I love about the texture release, it is versatile. So if you decide to wear it in its natural form of any natural hairstyle, you can actually do that as well. And it helps prolong the hairstyle too. Okay, I want to pause for a second and do a little bragging. Like, if you can tell the natural shine in my client's hair, and that's from the texture release lotion. It gives such a beautiful shine, and it makes the hair still lightweight, easy to detangle, easy to manage. And when it's pressed out, it looks fabulous. And this is just the lotion alone. Is this a relaxer? No, you guys, the texture release is not a relaxer. With the texture release, this is a system that deposits into the hair, connects itself to the bonds of the hair to help extend the curl pattern. With the relaxer, it is a system that deposits into the hair and breaks the bond and permanently change the hair from curly to straight, and you only can remove it by growing it out. With the texture release, this service is removed from your hair every single time you wash your hair. Do you have to do 7 passes? No, you do not have to do 7 passes. 7 passes is the max. You could do at least as 4 passes. But just to kind of educate you guys the difference of how the hair feel between the 4 passes and the seven. So with the 4 passes, you still can feel the residue from the solution. The hair is weighted down and it doesn't give a maximum shine to the hair. So now, when you do the 7 passes, all the solution is deposited into the hair. It's very lightweight. It does have the maximum shine, and it also helps extend the silk presses longer. So those are the difference. So you can do less than 7 passes, but some of the benefits of the texture release won't be at its maximum. I hope that cleared that up. What hairstyles can I do with the texture release? That's the fun part, you guys. You can wear your hair however you choose to. If you want to wear it straight or if you want to wear it curly, with the texture release, it's very versatile. It gives you the options of doing both. Now, I have had people get the texture release, and within 2 to 4 weeks later, they have done a sew in or clip ins. Now, I always tell my clients before you do anything that applies tension to the hair, give your hair a time to rest and shampoo and deep condition your hair with strengthening shampoo and conditioner and give at least 2 to 4 weeks before you do something else to your hair. And if you choose to wear it in its curly state, you can do whatever curly hairstyle you want to do. That's what I love about the texture release. You have the option to wear it curly or straight. Other than with the relaxer, you have no choice but to wear it straight because that is the permanent change to the hair. Can all texture of hair use the texture release? Yes. All texture of hair can use the texture release. But what I have noticed, the people that have more of a tighter curl pattern receive more and greater benefits with the texture release than those that have a looser curl pattern. And the reason is because it released the curl pattern. So when your curl pattern is more closer to a loose pattern, then it wouldn't be as much as a benefit to you. Some of the benefits that one receive outside of extending the curl pattern will be the intensified shine, the longevity of hairstyles, and also it gives you a uniform curl pattern, so your curl patterns all look the same. So these will be the reasons why I believe all textures benefit from the texture release. Do you suggest the texture release over the relaxer? You guys, actually, I don't have a preference. I love every service that I do in the salon. And I do every service that I do to cater to Black women hair. So when you are in my salon, I always examine the hair, the scalp to make sure whatever service you chose is the best service for you to do. Now, when it comes to me doing my consultation and me examining your hair, if you choose something that I don't think your hair is healthy enough to have done, then I definitely will let you know that and we'll make a decision on what is best when it comes to your hair at that time. But when it comes to making a decision of what I think is better for Black women hair, I don't do that. I do believe that Black women are always policed when it comes to their hair, and I don't like that. I think they should have the option, just like any other woman in the world, to do whatever they choose to do with their hair, as long as their hair is healthy enough to be able to do that. So, and that's what goes on in my salon. I give you professional suggestions, and we go from there. Do you do classes or one on ones for the texture release service? Well, I can and I will, but I haven't had much requests for that. And I haven't had many people show interest in wanting me to teach in more in detail a one on one or give personal classes for the texture release. So, due to the fact that I'm a lot busy, I put my interest where I receive more benefits from. So if you guys want that and that is something that y'all are interested in, then comment down below and let me know, because the more people I know that is interested in it, then I definitely would put my time to it. So it can benefit us all. I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And I also want to thank you guys for all the love and support that I get from you. If you need to book any appointment or you need to purchase any products that are used in the salon, you're more than welcome to go to my website at www.my2gotohands.com. And once again, thank you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, don't forget to drink your water for healthy hair, skin, and nails. Bye.